want to show you these really great quad and snowmobile loading ramps for your truck. I'll give you a complete breakdown in just a minute. Highlights are that it's got an extra wide rung in the middle here so that your tread of your snow machine can grip this to help you get up. It's got nice rubber sliders down both sides for the tracks, and it folds as well into 3, so you can tuck it up inside your truck, really nice, in beside your machine or on the trailer. Let's talk a few more specifications about these. So measurement wise, they are 4 feet wide by 7 feet long. So they are not light, but they definitely are built to withstand 1,500 pounds, which is what they're rated for. They do fold in the middle with 2 great strong hinges, so you're not going to have any trouble with movement as well. I've had these for probably about 4 years now, and they have definitely stood up to the wear and tear of putting the sled and the quad on and off the truck and on and off the trailer. It's a full aluminum construction, hinged in the middle twice so that it folds, trifold. Let's give you a close-up of the ramps in action. You can see you've got a really nice extra wide rubber track here. As I mentioned before, you've got this nice wide track in the middle so that your sled treads can grip really well. They fold up. There's what it looks like from the back end of the vehicle here. And there's a nice wide lip that goes right on the back of your tailgate. We're in full summer mode here, so I'm just going to have my helper demonstrate with the quad. You can see that it handles the weight of the quad really well. They're rated for 1,500 pounds, and they work equally well with quads and with sleds. If you were looking for a really great set of snow machine ramps, quad ramps with heavy grade aluminum construction, thoughtful design that will allow you to use both your snow machine and your quad on them, folds up nice and small so that they can fit into the truck or the trailer along with your machine. These ones here, definitely a family favorite at our house.